In this video, I will show you how to empty inbox in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're logged into your Gmail account. Now, once you're done with that, I want you to come to settings and click on see all settings. And here on the general, you're going to see maximum page size. I want you to choose the maximum page size, which is 100. You're going to scroll down and we're going to save changes. Now what we've done is that we've changed the number of emails that can load on the page from 50 to 100, and you can see we have 2,220 emails. So to empty your inbox, you're going to click here and it's going to choose 100 emails at the same time, and you're going to click on delete. Now you're going to repeat this process until all of the emails are done. As you can see, it's been reduced to 2,120. And you're going to come here, you're going to come to trash. You can see your emails here, but if you'd like to delete it permanently, you can also click here and then delete it permanently by clicking on delete forever. And that's how you empty inbox in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.